Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today, we are cracking open Apple's most guarded secrets because internal leaks from Cupertino have just revealed the upcoming iPad Mini 8, and it changes everything you think you know about compact tablets. For years, tech fans complained that Apple treated the Mini lineup like an afterthought, leaving it lagging generations behind the Pro models. But the blueprints and supply chain overrides that just surfaced prove Apple is shifting its entire strategy. This is no longer a casual e-reader or a luxury screen for flight logs. Apple is transforming its smallest tablet into an absolute pocket-sized superpower, packing in flagship-tier technology that has never been seen on a device of this footprint. If you think the current model is good enough, wait until you hear what is coming down the production line because it renders every previous small tablet completely obsolete. To truly understand why the iPad Mini 8 is an industry disruptor, we have to look directly at the single biggest complaint users have harbored for years: the screen. While Apple shifted its top-tier flagships to breathtaking display tech, the compact tablet line remained stuck in old LCD territory. That ends now. Internal supply chain audits confirm that the iPad Mini 8 is officially graduating to a custom dual-stack OLED display. If you have ever used a modern iPhone or a flagship Pro tablet, you already know the massive difference this makes. But seeing it on an 8-inch canvas is going to be completely jarring in the best way possible. We are talking about organic light-emitting diodes, where every single individual pixel acts as its own light source. When you are watching a movie in a dark room or reading an article at night, the black bars of the video or the dark mode background will display absolute pure black because those specific pixels turn completely off. The contrast ratio shoots from a basic standard up to an infinite level, making colors punch with a level of vibrancy that makes the current screen look incredibly washed out. But Apple is not just swapping out the panel material and calling it a day. The physical geometry of the front face is getting a radical overhaul. Engineering schematics show that Apple is aggressively shaving down the borders around the screen. By shrinking those thick, chunky bezels that have framed the Mini for years, they are managing a brilliant engineering trick. They are increasing the actual viewable display real estate from the classic 8.3 inches up to a stunning 8.5, or potentially even 8.7 inches diagonal, all without changing the physical footprint of the tablet itself. You still get that ultra-portable chassis that slips effortlessly into a jacket pocket or a small bag, but when you turn it on, the screen stretches edge to edge with a beautifully modern premium look. Furthermore, early tester leaks point to a breakthrough reduction in reflectivity and an upgraded peak brightness that will easily clear 1,000 nits for high dynamic range content. This means whether you are sitting directly under harsh office fluorescent lights or trying to review documents outdoors under bright, direct sunlight, the display remains perfectly legible without straining your eyes. Now, if a gorgeous screen was the only update, it would already be a compelling argument to wait. But what Apple is putting under the hood is where things get truly wild. According to code discovered inside internal operating system development builds, the iPad Mini 8 is skipping past standard mobile chips and is being equipped with the formidable A19 Pro processor. Let that sink in for a second. This is the exact same architectural powerhouse designed to anchor Apple's absolute top-tier next-generation flagship smartphones. Historically, the Mini line received downgraded or binned versions of older chips to keep thermal output low in such a small enclosure. But Apple's move to a highly efficient 3-nanometer fabrication process means they can squeeze maximum performance out of this chip without turning the tablet into a pocket warmer. We are looking at a massive 20 to 30% jump in raw central processing unit performance over the previous generation. But the real jaw-dropper is the graphics processing unit. This dramatic boost in processing power is not just for gaming. It is the fundamental foundation for Apple's massive push into localized artificial intelligence. To run advanced machine learning models directly on a device without relying constantly on a sluggish cloud server, you need massive memory and an incredibly fast neural processing unit. Apple is addressing this head-on by pairing the A19 Pro with a substantial 12 gigabytes of random access memory. For context, That is a massive jump from older compact models, giving this tiny machine more multitasking headroom than many mid-range laptops. When you are utilizing writing tools to rewrite massive documents, generating complex images on the fly, or asking the completely redesigned contextual assistant to cross-reference data across 5 different apps simultaneously, the iPad Mini 8 will execute those tasks instantly. However, all of this raw power and screen beauty would mean nothing if the device lacked durability, and this is where Apple is introducing a feature that is a historic first for the entire iPad family. Bloomberg reporting reveals that Apple has completely redesigned the internal chassis architecture to introduce official IP68 water and dust resistance. No iPad in history has ever carried an official ingress protection rating. If you accidentally knocked a glass of water over your tablet or got caught in a sudden downpour, you were essentially playing Russian roulette with your expensive tech. With an IP68 rating, the iPad Mini 8 is engineered to survive complete submersion in fresh water up to a depth of several meters for up to 30 minutes. This opens up an entirely new realm of practicality. Achieving this level of water sealing meant Apple had to completely re-engineer how audio works on a tablet. Traditional speaker grills are a massive liability for water entry because they require open acoustic meshes that can easily fail under pressure. To bypass this vulnerability, Apple is replacing conventional speakers with a groundbreaking holeless vibration audio system. Instead of pushing sound waves through open holes in the aluminum shell, this design utilizes specialized internal haptic actuators that turn the metal housing itself into a speaker membrane. Now, with upgrades this massive, a price adjustment is inevitably on the horizon. Analysts project that the introduction of premium dual-stack OLED technology and top-tier flagship silicon will likely drive the starting price up by $50 to $100 compared to older entry levels. But given the staggering leaps in longevity, build quality, and raw performance, it is a premium that completely justifies itself if you want a device that remains lightning fast for the next 5 to 7 years. Mass production is expected to ramp up in the third quarter, lining up perfectly for a grand unveiling in the latter half of the year. The upcoming iPad Mini 8 is clearly shaping up to be an absolute masterclass in compact engineering. It is a device that refuses to compromise, offering the raw power of a pro-tier machine inside a form factor you can easily carry anywhere. If you want to make sure you do not miss a single update, breaking leak, or the official release announcement for this incredible device, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications right now. Drop a comment below and let us know. Are you going to wait for these massive OLED and processor upgrades, or are you picking up a tablet right now? Thank you so much for watching Tap Tech. Stay ahead of the curve, and we will see you in the very next video.